Alright, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today I have the SLX Hybrid X3 Golf Simulator. I received this a few days ago, but haven't had a chance to open it. And when I started to, I just thought maybe I should just do a quick video on a unboxing to show you what this thing is all about. Now, this was a Kickstarter item that I participated in, and I thought it was really cool as a concept. It's supposed to be marketed as the Swiss Army knife for golfers because it has an E6 simulator. It's got an SLX tracker, GPS enabled device, so you can use it on the course. It's a Bluetooth speaker, as well as a power bank to charge your devices. So how could I say no with this item? So let's just try to discover what it's all about. This is just an unboxing, just to show you what it looks like, the physical aspects of it, and then later on I'll try it out and see how it'll help me in my golf. I'm a decent golfer, and I'm sure, like every golfer, they always need help somewhere, and to be even more accurate in distances and stuff like that. So I really wanted to see what this thing's all about. I've never owned one of these devices, so I'm hoping it works for me and it's at least decent enough to give me some distances, spin rates, stuff like that, to help me in my golf game. So anyway, I went ahead and cut this open, and the first thing that I'm seeing here is a SLX pamphlet. It's to provide you with how to download the E6. It's just to download the app, the firmware as well. It's got a firmware update here. So they're still working on this, by the way, because I just got an email in regards to their testing and some of the stuff. So it's kind of cool. They're really keeping the customers up to date on the progress and getting input from guys like me to see if it's working properly, what they need to change or update in their app, as well as the physical conditions of what they're experiencing. Okay, so I've got this item here. It's wrapped in a black paper, and here is the box itself. That's pretty cool. It looks very compact and small to take to a course, which is nice. And in the box there's also a sticker for you, so wherever you want to put that. So now here's the item, the box itself. Again, I haven't opened this yet, so let's see what it's like. So it says your game captured, analyzed, and improved. So let's hope that it does that. It's got a kind of technical aspects in the back, giving you some information here. It's also got a magnet on this thing, so you could mount it to a cart and utilize it as your Bluetooth speaker, as well as giving you updates on your GPS as far as distances go. So let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Got it open incorrectly. So there you go. Whoa. All right. I'm sure that's accessories. I don't know what's in here yet. But here is the device. It's pretty compact. Let's do some measurements here. This is, so far, it's about almost 6.5 inches wide, and 2.5, a little bit more, 2 3/4 inch tall. looks pretty cool. And this is the speaker here. I'm sure there's a magnet down below and a small LCD screen. Looks like an LCD screen. There it is. The screen is smaller than I thought. I was hoping it was a lot bigger, so you could see it from while you're doing your golf swings, whether it's at home or on the course. It's also got this right here. It's magnetic. I guess you will be using this as part of the swing analysis. So I guess you put this on your gloves somehow, and that's part of how it analyzes your swing and where the ball goes and everything else. Again, it looks pretty cool. It's got some controls on this side. Already what I'm looking at or seeing here is that the some of this paint or whatever they use is already coming out. So I'm not sure what kind of condition of the item they gave me. You saw it, that I just literally taken it out, and it's already got some kind of what do you call this, peeling from the paint. So kind of not happy about that, but that's what it is so far. I'll be reporting that to them, and yeah, and here too. So there's some peeling there, but so far that's what the item looks like. It's got some instructions here. Again, here's that that piece that goes to your glove, I guess. It says it there. And then here's your E6 Connect and the step-by-step setup instructions. Here we have, what do we have here? Oh, these are the clips for your glove, for your hand. And the USB charging cable. Got that. And then here, this long, I don't know what's in here. Kind of hard to pull out. Oh boy, that's really, really tight. I don't know what this is. I guess I'll have to push it. Let's see what it is. Yeah, I'm really having a hard time here. This is really, really tight. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's kind of like a carrying case here. That's kind of cool. As you put it here. Oh, there you go. Put it inside. And you can take it with you. So it's protected, the screen gets protected, the unit gets protected. So that's nice. I like that. Again, the only thing that I'm having issues with right now at the exact moment is the wear that it looks like here on top because of the paint. And that's possibly just because it shakes inside, and I'm not sure what kind of paint they use. This is the kind of material that over time it almost feels like it's melting in your hand. And I'm sure some of you have done that, where you picked up an item and it's got this grippy feel, but it's also coming off. But anyway, I'd like to try and see how to turn this on. I don't even know how to turn it on. Oh, here is access to your USB right in front of the unit. It's got a USB in, and I'm sure this is the charging, where the charging cable goes on. Let's see. Oh, I'm pushing the power button here, and there you go. Look at that. I hope you can see this. So there's the display. All right, and it's got no battery pack power right now. It needs to get charged. So I'll have to do that before I even try it. Otherwise, that is pretty much it that goes into this device. I'm excited to try it out and see what it can do for me. I was willing to buy a more expensive item, but this popped up as I was looking around for swing analysis items and simulators and stuff like that. But I figure one of these days I'll probably end up buying a more expensive one. But this is a good start for me to just, I guess, get my feet wet into simulators. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider joining the channel. I put up all kinds of stuff, from electronics to just, you know, little things here and there. So you never know what pops up on this channel, but I hope you enjoy what I do once in a while, and join the channel. All right, thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next video.